how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble, clean, and grease the m60 Polarstar Fusion Engine. First we're going to be taking out the screws and the nozzle. Okay, now you got your Fusion engine out. What you want to do is take out all the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Next thing you want to do is take out this screw. My only problem is that screw is stripped out for me. Once you take that off, all you gotta do is unscrew that, pull everything apart. If you end up stripping that out, I will show you how to end up pulling this apart the reverse way. What you need to do is take out these screws instead and unloosen that screw. You just go ahead and take that all around. Take these out. Remember how they went. If you put them in backwards or upside down, the gun will not shoot. Alright, start on twisting. Clean all around the edges of the rings. And you want to get your grease. I got some super lube, plastic parts only. Also works for O-rings. Don't fall off. Just go ahead and start greasing up all your O-rings. Swap them all up so they don't dry out. All you want to do is reassemble it all back together. Don't forget how we do it. Alright, now you want to put your Fusion engine back in the gun. Open up your feed tray. Alright, put the barrel back in. Pull the charging handle back before closing the feed cover. Actually, that does nothing. That's it, guys. That's how you disassemble, clean, and re-grease up the m60 Polarstar Fusion Engine. Thank you.